up, YouTubians? Happy Saturday. Let's build a battery box. So, plexiglass is what's going to hold it in. I got inserts I ordered, wood nuts. I got more Allen head. I got this kind, or I got the button top. Don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. 4mm, probably like 4 of them. This is what will hold the battery in. There'll be glass in here. Plexiglass in there. Plexiglass in there. And it'll all be black. I think. I don't know yet. This is what it's looking like. Necessarily don't know if I like it, but I like it. I think with the blue lights on inside, the 3 strips, there's one like right, there's a groove in there that I routed out. think it'll be sick. Have to figure out the colors though. I might do like a navy blue, or I might do that exo hide, the texture, maybe spray paint it blue, or I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this groove in here. I kind of like it because realistically I could paint like this part a different color, like maybe, I don't know, something white, but we'll see. Let's see what's up. That's it for tonight. YouTubians, baseheads, my people, happy Sunday. So, didn't get shit done this weekend. Woke up, ran errands, hung out with the wife and the daughter. She's been begging me to paint the bathroom for the past 2 days, so just painted one of our bathrooms. It's like Tiffany blue. I love that color. Anyways, but I did slap the battery box together, so that's gonna dry, and then I'll probably take it to work, fuck with it during the week, and then right now what I'm gonna do is got a whole box full of shit for the build, show it to you guys, and then I'm gonna go hang out with my beautiful wife, daughter, relax, get ready for fucking work tomorrow. So yeah, let me just do this. Alright, so we're gonna start with this. So my little relay panel that I have tucked under the passenger side floorboard by the firewall behind the glove box. I'm going to redo that and relocate it. I want to relocate it so it's easier to get to. So I got this fuse, 6-holer, it's negative, positive. It's a negative grounding block. So I'm gonna have my fans and my LED lights on this. And I got 6 for extra accessories. And then this little 4-spot. My amps are gonna be ran through here from the relay. So this will be on the remote wire. I necessarily don't need it, but why not? I got these originally for my fans, but then I changed my mind. I'll keep them anyway. There's only 4 of them. Future builds, I can reuse them. What's up, sexy? How you doing, beautiful?
You talking to yourself?
I am. I'm talking to the camera. Feels weird.
Looks natural.
Go away. Close the door. Thank you. For some reason, talking to the camera with people around makes me feel weird. Another 5 rolls of test tape. So I didn't get OFC. This would be for all the LEDs and the whatever. It's 16 gauge CCA sky high speaker wire. Like all the LEDs and shit like that. Doing the battery box on top to hold the plexiglass in, which is going to hold the bank in the box. Got a box of wire cells. It's a lot in here too, and it's relatively cheap. It was like $12. Anyways, I got button head Allens and other kind of Allens for the top of the battery box. I haven't decided which ones I'm going to use yet. I wanted to do Allens because all of my hardware on my terminals is Allen head. I want to keep it sexy. I don't know if you guys are a Reese's fan like I am. If you guys have seen these. These are the ultimate cups. The cup is fucking peanut butter too. Look at that shit. It's fucking peanut butter. Got a 5-pack, 30 to 40 amp relays. I'm not gonna use them all now. They have the harnesses in them too. So one of these videos I'll be, showing you guys how I'm going to do my relay panel, and I'm probably going to have it on the box, on the passenger side, on the back door. So on the driver's side, I'll have like a fire extinguisher, and then my fuse, my positive, my SMD dual to go to the bank in the back. Got 2 of these, they're blue. So I actually want to see what these look like. I always lose razor blades, and that is not a good thing because I have a 7-year-old. Transformer on hand. I think this strip, they're 16 feet long, a little over. It's only $10. It's a nice blue. So my dad brought over these ones. These ones seem to be show you guys the difference right now. I need to solder some wires to that and make up my mind on which ones I'm going to use. So I plan on putting, like on my pillars in the front, a couple, because I have that gap from the plastics to the roof, the headliner I put in, so I'm going to put a couple right there just to make it glow. And then under the dash, the passenger seat, and then driver's seat, some behind the seats face up towards the subs. Inside the box, strip down the port on the sides. You won't be able to see the lights, it'll just make the port glow. And then some in the battery box, and then some somewhere else in the back with the amps and shit. I haven't really decided yet. So and then got the C-Flow 4-inch. Oh, dude, I gotta stop losing razor blades. Always wondered how loud these are. I know shit sounds different on a phone. These say quiet on the description. I was looking at all kinds of different fans, but it seems like everybody on the YouTube audio basshead world is using these, so. And they're $30. They even got the warranty for $2. I have two of them. See if this will work. Alright, I got 2 rolls of this. I don't know if I told you guys that, so I got 100 feet. They're not that loud. They actually seem a lot louder on videos when I see them. So, those will work. That's cool. They blow some air, that's for fucking sure. know if you'll be able to see this, but so I'll either be using the button head or like, I forget what this is called, the one on the left. But these will be for the top plexi on top of the box I just built for my bank. So, but yeah, that is all the shit I got. It was like 140 bucks. I want to do a comparison of these LEDs. I'll be right back. You can definitely tell the difference. So these are the ones, this is the one I just soldered together. It's hard to see because it's so bright, but I'll show you the difference in the LEDs. My dad got these from a LED store over here by my house. And these are the ones I ordered off Amazon. My dad said he only paid like 12 bucks or something for this roll. And I paid 10 for this. And just the dink, dude, just how small these ones are compared to these ones. It's crazy. And the brightness. I know it's hard for you guys to tell, but so let's see. So this is the LED light, Amazon, from the shop, Amazon. It's the thickness in it too. These are the ones with the little rubber weatherproof seal. But see, it's the little light right there. Right there. And this is the light and the one my dad got. Way better. Way more beefier. It's a tiny little light. So, I don't know, we'll see. I might just save these and decorate my daughter's room or something. But my dad brought over a bunch. So this package is the Amazon one. This is one my dad got. SMD LED. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys some new shit I got. Play with some LEDs. That was my first time soldering one, so that was a pain in the ass. I should have got 18 gauge. I might fucking order 18 gauge, but it worked. I'll probably just fucking deal with it. But other than that, man, you guys have a good night, and I will see you next weekend. Started. What's up, YouTubians? Happy Sunday. Painted the box last night. Came out tits. The plexiglass that I have is all scratched up, so I'm not gonna fuck with it anymore until I get some different plexi. So what we're gonna do right now is put the subwoofers in. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna drill some holes in the back so I can run the speaker wires out. Drill some holes for the LEDs, and then bring a subwoofer out, hold it up so my wife can mark it so I can pre-drill. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna drill holes in the back of the box directly behind the subwoofers so you can't see any wire going through the port from one side to the other, and all the wires to the subwoofers will be relatively same length. Because if I was to run, if I was to parallel, like start behind the driver's seat, so I, parallel to the bottom sub, and then I'd run it around the port, all the wires would be different sizes. So I would think that would affect it somehow. I don't know, I'm not a pro. But we're gonna run the wires in the back. SMD quad speaker terminal will be placed somewhere in the back, because I think I am gonna build another wall behind the box so nothing is on the enclosure itself. So without further ado, let's drill some holes. There's the LED. And then to the top sub. Oh shit, there's a screw on there. And then I got this zip tied up. It's getting late. Subs are in. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video with this. I was just gonna make this video all about my battery box and finishing that up, but like I said earlier, all the plexiglass that I have is scratched up, so I wanted to get something done. So I got the subs in, there's LEDs in there, wires ran to the back, and we're getting closer. Getting closer. Fuck, dude, I can't believe this. This is crazy. We'll see you guys next weekend. Dude, we're getting fucking close. I'm so fucking excited. But yeah, that's it, man. See you guys next weekend. Thanks for watching. And like, do I need to beg for subscribers? Like, I watch all these YouTube people and they're always like, look, give me likes, fucking subscribe, like panhandling that shit. But they have a ton of subscribers. Is that what I gotta do? Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good night.